Hello children, in this video under problem solving, you'll learn iterative pattern and processes. So, what is a pattern? A pattern is a thing or action being repeated in a series or list. Now you can see this design children, and you can see there are certain designs which are being repeated in this bigger design. Isn't it? In this bigger design, there are small designs which are being repeated. So this makes a pattern. Pattern can also be made using motif. What is a motif? A piece that repeats over and over in a design is a motif. So in this design, you can see children, a floral design is there. And this floral design is being repeated again and again. Okay. So this floral design is called as a motif because it is being repeated in this picture. And using this motifs, you can design a pattern. Okay. Like this pattern also can be designed using these motifs. Now next, loop. What is a loop? A loop is any repetition that forms a cycle. Okay. Now take for example the days of the week children. A week starts with Sunday. It starts with Sunday and goes on till Saturday. So the week ends with Saturday and then again Sunday appears. So this way children, the days of the week keep on moving in a cycle, isn't it? Starting from Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and again Sunday. So it forms a loop, it forms a cycle, hence it forms a loop. Okay, it's not ending, it's continuously moving. So any repetition which is forming a cycle and continuously moving is called a loop. Once in a year also form a loop. Now come to the next topic, technofacts. Okay, so today in this video you will learn few more technofacts. The first one is the computer virus. You've already studied about computer virus, isn't it children? Now what was the first computer virus? The name of the first computer virus is Creeper virus. Okay, it was detected on ARPANET. ARPANET is the first computer network. Okay, so on the first computer network, the first computer virus was detected. The name of the virus is Creeper virus. Now you all are aware of a webcam, isn't it children? You must have seen web cameras installed at different places. Okay, so the first webcam was deployed at Cambridge University Computer Lab. Children, you all are acquainted with robots, isn't it? Now you all must have also heard about humanoid robots, isn't it? So the first humanoid robot, the name of this robot is Sophia. This Sophia humanoid robot was developed by a Hong Kong based company, Hanson Robotics. Okay, and Sophia was activated on April 19, 2015. Have you heard the word CAPTCHA children? If you have registered for anything online, you must have got a CAPTCHA before submission, isn't it? So before you submit the form, you always have to enter the CAPTCHA displayed on your form. What is a CAPTCHA? First know the full form of the CAPTCHA abbreviation. The full form of CAPTCHA is Completely Automated Public Turing Test to Tell Computers and Humans Apart. Means this CAPTCHA is used to identify whether the person entering the details in the form is a human being or a bot. So just for confirming that a human being is filling up the form, this CAPTCHA is used. Okay children. So now children, you have learned about few technofacts and the iterative patterns and processes. So now I'll be giving you a worksheet. This worksheet PDF you'll get, okay? You'll download this PDF and you will solve these questions based on iterative patterns and processes. Okay children? The questions are very simple. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me your queries. Thank you children.